Let's make some creative sandwiches celebrating Penang's diverse culinary culture. Well, there's no rules here except good food between two slices of bread, buns, mantou or even puff pastry. And being in Penang, the choices of fillings available are aplenty. My name is Adrian Cheah and welcome to my channel. Top on my list is kaya, a delicious coconut jam made with santan, eggs and caramel. It is best enjoyed on freshly toasted Bengali bread, easily available in Penang from your friendly neighborhood roti man. Homemade kaya is the best lah. I learned this recipe from my mum. Only if you can find ripe pineapples, go ahead and make some delectable pineapple jam. Infuse it with aromatic spices like cinnamon, star anise and cloves. Butter the toast before spreading a generous helping of pineapple jam for a scrumptious bite. Jihu-cha? Stir-fried yam bean with shredded cuttlefish is usually enjoyed with a dollop of sambal wrapped in fresh lettuce leaf. You can also enjoy it in a crispy top head shell, or better still, in a soft fluffy white mantou. Ngeboy sambaihu, torpedo scat, stuffed with sambal, makes a savory sandwich. Debone the fish, spread the sambal on the toast and pile up the fish flesh. Try this and you will be in for a lovely treat. Otak-otak, Nonya fish custard parcels are easily available at market areas in Penang. Here, I bake 2 sheets of crispy puff pastry to sandwich the otak-otak. Bread would work as well. Give it a try. Freshly grilled bak kwa, Chinese pork jerky, is heaven in a sandwich. Bak kwa wins anytime over peanut butter jelly, hands down. Buy some tender char siu from your favorite chicken rice stall and make this irresistible sandwich. It is so good. This takes a little more effort. Find a good recipe and make a sandwich with crab meat stuffings. Deep fry to golden and enjoy it with some Lee and Perry sauce. Butter 2 slices of bread. Lay down thin cucumber slices and top them with sambal hebi. You can easily buy sambal hebi almost anywhere in Penang. Finger-sized cucumber sandwiches are easy to make yet delicious. Use Japanese cucumbers. They have beautiful forest green skin with long and slender bodies. Comb the internet for recipes on how to make these Japanese egg sandwiches. The filling is creamy and bursting with a rich egg yolk flavor. Use an egg slicer and make a different sandwich altogether. Pack it with lettuce, top it with egg slicers, and drizzle with a sesame seed dressing. Fruit sando are also easy to make. They are visually appealing and simply refreshing. Remember to shrink wrap the sandwiches and refrigerate them overnight before trimming off the edges or cutting them up into bite sizes. Try this combination: peanut butter and crispy smoked bacon, an interesting pairing of flavors to relish. Crispy calamari rings make such appetizing sandwiches as well. Marbled coffee bread best eaten with butter and cheese. Debone the fried chicken and top it up with all that you love. It is so much better and surprisingly easy to make at home. There are plenty of delicious sandwiches you can easily put together in Penang. Be creative and bring to your lips something enchanting.